Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trademark for your proprietorship. First, understand that a trademark legally protects your unique brand elements, like your business name or logo. Before applying, confirm your chosen mark is distinctive and not already registered. Gathering all your business information and examples of your mark, known as specimens, is a crucial initial step. This preparation helps streamline the entire application process. Once prepared, the next step is a thorough trademark search. This helps ensure your mark isn't already in use, preventing potential legal issues later. Then, accurately fill out the application form, providing all required details about your proprietorship and the mark itself. Finally, submit your completed application to the appropriate government office, such as the USPTO in the United States, to begin the official review process. After filing, it's important to regularly monitor your application's status online. The examining attorney might issue an office action requesting more information or clarification, so respond promptly. Once registered, remember that trademark protection isn't indefinite. You'll need to file periodic maintenance documents, typically at the 5-year and 10-year marks, to keep your trademark active and protected for your proprietorship. To maximize your chances of success, avoid common pitfalls like not conducting a thorough search or making errors on your application. For complex situations, consulting a trademark attorney can provide invaluable guidance and help navigate the legal landscape. Remember, a strong trademark protects your brand's future. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.